In this video, we're going to take a look at inflation and how the current economy in the middle of 2022 are impacting the real estate market. We'll discuss the best way to hedge inflation and discuss everyone's favorite benchmark when it comes to real estate, 2007. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Toby Fernie, aka the Teacher Realtor, here with Coldwell Banker Realty in Monterey, California. If you are new to the channel, it is all about real estate and living here in Monterey, California. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you're a buyer looking for your dream home or a seller wondering the value of your home in today's market, feel free to give me a call, send me a text or an email. I'd be happy to help. Recent economic news would say that the sky is falling. Inflation is now almost 9%, which is one of the highest it has been in decades. The stock market is down. Rates are now above 6% after the Fed increased rates 3/4 of a point, which is the most that it has in around 28 years. Lions, tigers, and bears, oh my. What can we do about this, and how are these indicators tied to the real estate market? As I'm sure you're aware, as inflation increases, this impacts our daily costs. In California, for example, gas prices are almost up to $7 a gallon. One of the other major ways that inflation impacts our economy is when it comes to the rental market for real estate. Landlords recognize that people have to pay these prices and don't have much of an option right now. So what can you do about this? Stocks, as we've seen as of late, are not an ideal investment when it comes to turbulent economic times. Many leading economists would agree that the best way to hedge against inflation is to purchase real estate. But of course, this is the time where everyone is going to talk about how real estate is overvalued. It's gone up too much in recent years. This is looking like a repeat of 2007 all over again. But let's take a look at how 2022 is different from 2007. For starters, there are way more 35-year-olds in 2022 than there were in 2007. Millions of more 35-year-olds, and this is the prime age when it comes to first-time homebuyers. This is resulting in millions of more families and households who either want to or have to buy a home. If you look at the available inventory in homes for sale in 2007, at that time there was an excess of homes. There were more homes than there was buyer demand. There has been a housing shortage the last couple of years and not enough homes being built to meet this increased population and demand. There are around 50% as many homes available in 2022 in comparison to 2007. Real estate is based off of supply and demand. Right now there is a very high demand for purchasing real estate and a low supply. Real estate, if you look historically, has been a strong investment in comparison to other forms of investing. It looks like the economy is shifting into a downward trend. But if you look at 4 of the last 6 recessions, home values actually went up. As an investment, in California, for example, some homes went up 20 to 30% a year in different markets around the state. And homes are already up at the start of 2022. Rates are likely to keep going up as the year progresses. If you're ready to buy and you're able to afford the monthly payments based on where you live, you should purchase a home right now. As a buyer at this time, you will likely have less competition than you did in 2020 or 2021. You may be able to put in an offer at or below the asking price and keep all of your contingencies available when you're putting in offers. At this time, you may be able to purchase a home for a lower price than, say, 6 months ago or next year, as the real estate market has slowed some. Yes, rates are higher right now than they have been in previous years, but you can always refinance if rates drop. Get pre-approved, find out what you qualify for. Don't wait until you price yourself out of the market. If you have any questions, are interested in finding your dream home, or if you're a seller wondering the value of your home in today's market, be sure to give me a call, send me a text, or an email at toby.fernie@gmail.com. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for future content all about real estate and living here in Monterey, California.
Click the icon to subscribe to more content from living in Monterey, California.